2023.5 introduces performance improvements and several exciting new features in the project/product dialog, TMS web schedule, app, and more. For our first feature, we'll head over to the continuity pane in a project or product. When managing a product/project with many events and slot groups, it can be a timely and error-prone process to make revisions and manage continuities. The new daily continuity will act as a required continuity for all events for a single slot group that fall on the day the event starts, simplifying the process of managing complex training days. The next improvement we made to the project dialog allows you to drag and drop already assigned resources onto empty roles. Previously, users could opt out of single sign-on and log in using their Mint username and password. Now, you'll be able to configure that users must use the SSO login and disable regular login. For our next few features, let's visit TMS Web. We added a daily view option along with the monthly and weekly view. This new view will allow users to focus on a single day's events. To improve the TMS web schedule and the user's ability to plan around certain events, we added holidays to the schedule page. Lastly, we added brand new, exciting functionality to the Mint app, Single Sign-On. Now, you can use SSO, SAML and LDAP to sign into any of our applications. For more information on the 2023.5 features, visit your Mint manual.